My acceptance rate is at 63% now. Completion rate still at 100%. You know, customer rating 5. You know, 5% missing on time or early. Kind of drives me crazy. And it says 21 deliveries in the last 30 days. But then lifetime deliveries is 18. We're accepting all these deliveries. We're gonna get this acceptance rate up and get to 50. That is today's plan. What is good? No, I don't want no credit card, bruh. Stop with that. Man, we're getting some raindrops in Arizona. Dude, this is more like it. This is the kind of riding I'm used to. We're up to 30. It's going a lot better today. It's actually pretty decent, dude. It's only rained 3 times in the like 3 months I've been here. Up to 46. This just died though. We're not getting any more charge. So we're just gonna go until that battery's dead. Yo, lane splitting is legal in Arizona, and if you don't like it, it doesn't mean you get to try to run me over. So there's just that. So if there's a video of me flipping some lady off and yelling at her, that's probably why. I've never come that close to just like someone actually just trying to hit me. Like actually she just tried to swerve into me and take a video of me for doing something I can do. She just doesn't like it, so she can get fucked. Alright, we're starting to figure this out, I think. That was 3 hours and 16 minutes and I made 52 bucks. So, I think we're getting a little better. And we haven't even hit full priority DoorDasher status, Brad. We need 50 for that. This is sick. So wait, I didn't even see how many deliveries that was, dude. I know I was trying to go for 50 today, but for that 50 mark today, I needed technically 32 of them to get there today. Because I don't know why those 3 aren't counting, because there's those 3 deliveries. For some reason, that aren't counting and showing up. It shows up as 18 and not 21. We're gonna switch our zone though, because it started taking us really far south. And I don't want to go south, so we're going to back to Phoenix. Yo, what's up, Zach? Yeah, I have been getting rained on. Not too bad, it's just drizzling a bit though. I made 52 bucks in 3 hours this time though. Yeah, no, I found out a couple things. And I do want to know, because you said your buddy has been making a ton of money on DoorDash. I do want to know if he like, how he like does the hot spots. Because like once I deliver something, I go right back to the hot spot. I wonder if he's just like staying in the hot spot somehow, like only taking orders, or like if he's good enough in the system that all the orders are like just keeping him in a hot spot zone so he can make quick turnarounds. Like, oh, so the orders will continue to keep, okay, because that's what I'm wondering, because it'll give me a $14 order. I'm like, sweet, dude. And so then I'll take it, but it'll take me, you know, 26 minutes out of town. So about an hour out from the house. I think we're just gonna kind of dash our way back there, and and see what's going on. I need to eat. And then that happens sometimes, you know? Like, I haven't figured this out yet. Man, when you see it like that, it's a lot better. All at once. Can it focus? 9 hours, $131 the last 2 days. So that's not too bad. And I think I'm just gonna get better at it and be able to increase that. Alright, I'm gonna go. Hey, I'm done actually. I'm done. I'm gonna go pack up. Start uploading this footage right now. Get it edited so I can get to bed at a fucking good hour, bruh.